game. So
Ini
this
kita
is
akan membuka
fast,
game.
fun. So let's start opening.
Oke, kita mulai buka.
I hope I win the second round.
Aku harap aku bisa menang.
Oh, oh, look at the people's
Lihat orangnya.
instructions.
Nggak ada instruksinya.
Oh, here.
Oh, itu dia instruksinya.
So let's open the bag. Oh.
Ayo kita buka tasnya.
So we have
Ini juga ada.
two people.
Orang.
So my mom is gonna help me read this.
Oke.
Mommy, how do you do this? Not
Okay,
yet.
first you have to assemble it.
First, you have to assemble. Okay, wait. Let me see.
Pertama harus kita pasang dulu seperti di dalam bukunya.
Wait, kasih. Oh, I think like this. Oh, there. Okay. What's the other one? I want to put the other one. Wait.
Akan pasang satu lagi.
Yeah. Here. I found.
Oke, ya.
Okay. So here we are, ready for the next one. You have to put our bowl. Over there. I want the red one. Let's do this, baby. Oh. Come on.
Ayo.
Let's do this, baby.
Bisa.
Baby. Baby. Done. Not yet, Cassie. That's not. Okay. So where does this hand go? Cassie, not yet. I want to play it first. I cannot even play it. Cassie, I cannot even do this. Wait, I have to. I want to do the other. I want to do the other.
Test it. Coba.
I can't move. There. Okay. So let's play 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. Not yet. Ready? You're gonna be like this. That's it. Ready? Steady. And go.
Harus kepalanya nanti. Ya, ready. Kelsey won.
Yes.
Kelsey menang.
Yes. Another round. Now I'll be the red. Ready? Set, go.
Ah, Kelsey win again.
How come two heads is lose? Like how when you lose?
Kelsey menang lagi.
Like
2-0.
Like Drew. Okay, again, go.
Okay, breaking. Is it going to be a tie or Kelsey's going to win?
Ready,
okay,
set,
breaking,
go. Okay, go.
Ah, Kelsey wins.
I win this one. I win this
Game over. Kelsey menang. 3-1.
So bye everybody. Thank you for watching Kelly's Stories and Yasser's Stories. Bye.